Alright, it's a little bit after 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Thursday, August the 13th. Just out here to get an idea of what the noise level is like out here at the property and why people have objected to the location. You can see we're in a nice little cul-de-sac. That sound you hear in the background is not running water. That's actually the constant hum, if you will, of traffic. This is the quietest part of the day, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Lunch break is over. School's still in session. As we walk towards the back of the house, you can hear it really picking up. To the back of the property. This right here is the wall, the sound barrier, if you will, and that tree right there, if I climbed out on that branch, I would be hanging over I-75. And so this will just give you an idea of the noise level during the quietest part of the day. See the house from here. Walk back up, give you an idea how far it is. See some of the repair work needed on the house while we're at it. But this is your view from the back deck, and this is what it sounds like in the middle of the afternoon.